Precious Jones Huntsville. I am so glad that you guys took the time to hang out with me today. Thank all of you guys for supporting me. If this is your first time, welcome. And thanks to all of those that have already supported my channel by subscribing to my channel. I appreciate that. And now, gals, the purpose of this video, I just want to style this table here. And went out and bought some home decor pieces. And I'm just going to play around with them a little bit. I'm going to do maybe like 3 different arrangements. And I want you guys' input. Just comment so we can interact with each other. And I apologize for the lighting in here. It's not that good. But it's cloudy outside, and I'm still waiting on the guy to come and put my light in the ceiling because I don't have a ceiling light. So, but guys, you just bear with me. So I'm going to go ahead on and do what I can with what I got. So I'm doing the best I can with what I got, okay? So I'm going to be mixing metals, farmhouse, glam together. So guys, let's get into the video, okay? Okay, so we are going to start with this coffee table here, and I'm going to be mixing, metals, farmhouse, the whole 9 yards together. And I know a lot of you guys probably say I wouldn't mix the farmhouse with the glam, but we are playing around, and you can basically do whatever you want to in your house. Okay, so here we started with this tray that I got from Ross, and you saw this in my haul for $16.99. And this is like a 15 inches. And we are going to go ahead on, and this is the candlestick holder that I got from Burlington, and this was $6.99. So we're just gonna place that right there. And got a candle from Ross, $4.49, and we're just going to place that right there on top of the candlestick. Okay. And we are going to mix this metal here, guys. This is a glam vase, and it does have texture in it, so it's very nice, from Burlington for $14.99. I'm just going to place this right here. And these are some maple leaves that I got from the Dollar Tree. I got 3 branches here, 3 bundles. And I just put them all in one little bundle. And I'm sticking these right there. And I will come back and play with that in a few minutes. And here's my other farmhouse piece that I'm mixing. Got this from Burlington for $4.99, and I'm going to place this right there. And here are my little birds that I got from Ross. I showed you these earlier in my haul, and they were $8.99. I'm going to place one right there and place the other one on this book that I'm using for my riser here. And I want my birds to be facing each other like so. And here is my Nourishing Shade candle that I got from Ross. It was $5.99. So I'm going to place this right here. And this candle here can go with the spring as well as the fall because of the color. Okay, guys, I'm going to come back. Okay, so I went on and lit the candle. And here's the final look. know what you think about me mixing this metal and this farmhouse look. Give me a comment down below and let me know how you would have done this if you had these same pieces. Okay guys, this is what we end up with. And so this is arrangement 1. So now I'm going to go ahead on and just maybe take a few pieces away and replace it with something else. So let's go with, we're going to just remove this candle here. And we're going to replace this with the lantern that I purchased from Ross. Okay, so we're just going to place that like so. Okay, and let's take away these birds and we're just going to replace them with something else. I got these little, I think they're little chimpanzees. So we're just going to say we're going to just put these here on the rice, and we're just going to set the other one right there. And let's try removing this candle as well. And I'm going to try just a little gold glam pumpkin with the gold around the stem and the little gold specks. And so let's put this right here, or see right there. Which one you think, guys? There or here? Okay, let's try here. We'll try both of them and just let you see it. Okay, and you let me know what you think. If you would do something different with this arrangement. Okay, here's the finished results. And this is my arrangement number 2. Yes, guys, just let me know if you had these same pieces and you had to style them. What will you do differently? Okay, this was arrangement number 2. I'm going to move a few pieces out of the way and just set up something quickly. Nothing that much, but just I'm going to take away this, take away these 2 pieces here. I'm going to take away all these pieces. Oh, I did not mean to take away this. I'm going to let that stay. Okay? And I'm just going to add this pumpkin here. Move this back a little bit. Okay. So I'm just going to add, let's turn it around that way. So that's what we got right now. And I'm just going to let this stay simple. Okay, I'll be back. These are some of my pieces of home decor for the fall that you saw in my haul. Guys, that you have seen all 3 arrangements, just let me know what you would have done differently if you had these same pieces to work with. Leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. And I want to bring this to your attention before I go. Look at the leaves on that pumpkin. I just love the way it reflects this off the light. And once again, Thank you for watching my channel. If you have not subscribed at this time, please go ahead on and do so. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the future, and your future looks good on you.